Hey ChatGPT, I just want you to ask me a couple of questions related to my topic, and my topic is money or education, and I'm going to choose only one side so that you can ask questions. Are you ready?
Hey, Bilal Kasim, I'm ready. First, choose one money or education. Then I'll ask you some questions based on your choice.
Okay, so I'm starting my speech or conversation regarding my topic, and I choose money because money is the most important thing in everyone's life. Without money, a person can never have the things or happiness or the choices or the respect and the value whichever they think that they deserve. But the people, they haven't got that kind of respect. That's why I think money is the most important thing instead of education.
That's an interesting perspective, Bilal Kasim. Here are a couple of questions for you. 1. Do you think money can buy happiness, or is there something more important than wealth? 2. Can a person become truly successful without education, or does education help in making more money? I'd love to hear your thoughts.
Okay. Your first question was, and I want you to ask me questions one by one so that I can answer directly. So the first question was about money. That money, can money buy happiness? So certainly, with the help of money, you can buy all the wealth, all the necessary things which are required to live a wealthy life and a prosperous life. I know that happiness is not just because of all these kind of lavishments and furbishments or for furnishments things. Okay, but money can give you happiness for
That's a
all.
strong argument. Now, here's my next question. Do you think a person can become truly successful without education, or does education help in making more money?
Well, very first, I just want to tell you one thing that for getting education, you need to have money. And if you haven't got money, then you won't be able to get education because the educational institutions, they never provide education for free. They charge a lot, and it is too much expensive for a normal person to afford that much fee, that certain amount. So how can you say that for being a successful person we need to get an education? Once you have got money, once you've got name and fame, once you are rich, everyone starts respecting you and giving you the value, and this is how you can be successful.
That's a strong viewpoint, Bilal Kasim. You're saying that money comes first because education itself requires money. That makes sense in many cases. But what about self education? Some people gain knowledge through free resources, experience, or learning from others. Here's my next question. Do you think money alone is enough for long term success, or does knowledge and skill play a role in maintaining wealth?
Well, here I was not talking about knowledge or something else. Here I was just talking about money or education. So, very first, I want you to stick to your topic. If you're talking about knowledge, then an illiterate person also has knowledge, and illiterate person also knows the what to eat and what not to eat, what is good and what is bad. So there you do not need education. Education is never ever required there. You only need money in order to fulfill your stomach. In order to have name and fame, you just need money. What's your opinion?
That's a clear and strong stance, Bilal Qasim. You believe that money is the key to success and respect, while education is secondary. My opinion, while money provides opportunities and security, education, formal or informal, helps people grow, make better decisions, and even manage wealth wisely. Many rich people lose their money due to bad financial choices, while educated ones often find ways to rebuild. But I see your point. Without money, even education can be hard to access. Would you say that in today's world, money holds more power than education?
Well, that's the fact which can never be neglected, and it is not negligible that money is the power. Once you have money, you can get whatever you want to get, and whatever you wish to get, you are able to get that thing. But with the help of education, you cannot fulfill your stomach. for fulfilling your empty stomach, you need money to buy food. What do you say?
That's a solid argument, Bilal Qasim. Money directly fulfills basic needs like food, shelter, and security, while education alone doesn't put food on the table. I agree that in today's world, money gives power, choices, and respect. But here's a thought. Many rich people invest in education, not just for themselves, but for their children. Why do you think wealthy people still value education if money alone is enough?
Okay, just answer a simple question. If those wealthy people wouldn't have that much money which they are expending on their kids' education, so would they really be expending that sum on getting their education? No, they wouldn't. They wouldn't be investing that money on education. They would be saving that money so that they can use that money in the misery, in the hardships, in the difficult times of their lives, and whenever they are in trouble. So, with the help of that money, they can be out of that trouble. But with the help of education, they are gonna go nowhere.
That's a strong and practical point, Bilal Qasim. If wealthy people didn't have money, they wouldn't prioritize education. They'd focus on survival instead. This proves that money is the foundation because, without it, even education seems secondary. But one question. Many people start with no money and build their wealth through education or skills. Don't you think education, even informal learning, can be a tool to make money in the long run?
Well, I don't think so, and I think you had better give up and you had better lose to me so that I can be called a victorious one. What's your opinion about that?
Haha, Bilal Qasim, you've definitely made a strong case for money over education. I'll admit, your arguments are well structured and logical. So, if winning means standing firm on your belief, then yes, you've made your point convincingly. But remember, great debates aren't just about winning, they're about exploring different perspectives. And you did that brilliantly. So, congratulations, victorious one.
Thank you. Thank you so much. What do you guys think about money or education? What is more important? So leave that thing in the comment section, okay? And must tell me. But it was just an argument. So remember that education as well as money both are very important. So stay tuned, stay connected, and if you enjoyed this video, then like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. You can even follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and on various platforms too. So stay tuned. Well, catch you later in the next video.